Okay, it's time to say goodbye to this pretty space. I'm gonna miss it. I didn't have enough of it. I spent about 2 hours asleep on that cute couch, and the rest in bed here. And yeah, now I have to leave. I've never been so sad to leave a place that I don't know. Switch your torch on, sissy. Walking out in the dark. Wow. So we have to leave our bags outside our doors because a porter will come fetch them. And then focusing ahead and not looking back. Yo. Guys, this is when you regret being single or not bringing along a sibling, because what is this? I hope I don't see any animal. Okay, at least I know where I'm going, I think. Sure. Probably the porter's car. Going to fetch our bags now. Okay. Reception. We're almost there, girl. Doing great, right? I think I'm doing great. No. This is me getting lost, guys. Okay. I don't think I'm lost. I've just lost confidence. The paths here are many and scary. But yeah. So the plan is to not eat at breakfast at all, because last night I messed myself up. My tummy. I'm smelling some kind of dung. I don't know what it is. Okay. I'm safe now.
Yes, when we see water running in the Ohab River like this, we are happy. It means the vicinities of Etosha, the vicinities of Grootfontein is receiving good rains. This is the very same river where the elephants come and have a drink, where the rhinoceros also come and have a drink, and many other animals as well, although used by both humans and animals. Ohab River.
This is Namibia's highest mountain, standing at 2,573 meters above sea level. The Brandberg Mountain was created over 120 million years ago when a single mass of granite punched through the Earth's crust and intruded into the heart of the Namib Desert in what is now known as northern Namibia.
So you can take videos and pictures. And for you guys, just watch and take pictures and take videos and ask questions. Can you see? This is how they bath. Yes. They don't use water to wash this. You can't wash this. These are leathers. You can't wash it. So after they finish there, they put this washing machine on top of that smoke. Then you can see the spaces, the smoke come out. Then they put their clothes on top to get that smoke. Now we will start about the ochre. how they make it powder. Where they keep their perfume and their powder inside. This one. This is a horn from cow, and this is skin also from cow. Yes. Yes. This is how they smell because they don't use water.
So you be like that for the whole night?
Yes. The whole night. Even if you turn the other side, you turn with the pillow. Yeah.
What about ladies? Do they
The
have
ladies.
their own pillows too?
This is the ladies. But when the ladies doesn't have a man,
Yes.
use the stone.
Oh.
The stone.
Which is better?
Yeah.
These houses are closely related to each other, meaning that if there is an outage of fire, it's not just one house that burns. Many of these houses are going to burn down. Just like you can see from the structure, it is only but board and wood in most cases. Why so? Corrugated irons do not do so well in this area due to the fact that we are close to the ocean, and as a result, there is always fog or mist that comes in this vicinity. What does that do? It really makes these to not last long. So wood is one of the many best things that you can use to actually build that which you can consider to be a house.
Okay, so it is my day 4 in terms of accommodation, but day 3 in terms of the tour itself. This is where I will be staying. I think it's called à la mer, which means by the sea, maybe ocean in French, if my French is still correct. And we're in the cold Swakopmund, and unfortunately this place feels cold as well, like the walls. Ooh, of course, yeah. But yeah, beautiful like most of the places where we've been staying. Love it. And this is the room. Pretty. Also, this twin bed thing, I don't know why. Like, they don't just put it into a double bed if it's one person. Hey, was my English correct there? And yeah, I've got a workstation / charging station and TV. Wow, okay. Actually, maybe today I'll attempt to watch something because the Wi-Fi does not Wi-Fi. And then I do have a balcony somewhere here. Not the best view, but the ocean is so close to me, so that's a plus. I can actually do a morning run tomorrow. Excited.